Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
Ripple welcomes more than 4,000 artists into its new NFT platform. Rising blockchain company Ripple has announced the onboarding of around 4,000 singers, musicians, content creators, game designers, and other artists into its NFT platform with a creator fund worth more than $250 million. Launched in September 2021, the blockchain producer is aiming to support artists and creative agencies like Mintable, Mint NFT, VSA Partners, NFT Pro, Eternal Labs, and XRP. The creator fund will be distributed on a batch basis with a varying theme for each wave of applications. Nick Rose, Eternal Labs Chief Executive Officer and founder said, "This partnership allows us to bolster the Web3 ecosystem by pioneering cross-chain interoperability and bringing NFTs and digital assets to the masses." Notable artists onboarded for this batch include Justin Bois, filmmaker Steven Sebring, and X-Punks. They have come together to connect the convocation of diverse artists. "I am extremely excited to be one of the first visual artists working with Ripple to bring life to my artistic vision in this tokenized world and lend the support I need to grow the Bois community," said Justin Bois. Ripple Creator Fund. For the next application waves, independent and rookie creators can also shoot their material to join the Creator Fund. As the only creator-centered platform in the market, Ripple is firm with its goal of assisting creators to grow their careers and build their community with the help of XRP Ledger. The theme of the ongoing wave will be announced in the second quarter of the year. The rotation themes will allow the current NFTs to use cases on the ledger, with various themes exploring media and entertainment, sustainability, and real estate. Real utility and Web 3.0. The launch of the NFT DevNet, a beta development environment seeking to assist more NFT creators in the industry, signaled a new turn in the industry. Ripple is slowly venturing into the world of Web 3.0 with the use of cases for tokenized assets. One report said that it had recently invested $100,000 to Feature, an entertainment and music marketplace. The entry to Web 3.0 is due to the possible utility increase of the XRP Ledger ecosystem. With the addition of their ledger, marketplaces like Feature will have lower fees and quicker settlement processes. Monica Long, the general manager of the app development arm RippleX, commented on the growing pace of the NFT market and the need to maximize its potential. NFTs have very quickly proven to have real utility within crypto, from digital experiences and rewards to artist royalties, co-ownership of real-world assets, and more. From March 11 to March 20, 2022, Ripple will host the Ripple House at the South by Southwest Festival in Austin, Texas. XRP price prediction: can symmetrical triangle breakout push XRP price to $1 mark? On March 11, the Ripple XRP price finally escaped from the sluggish down rally governed by the descending trendline. The sudden price jump was backed by the recent news of the XRP vs. SEC lawsuit in which the judge denied the SEC's attempt to prevent Ripple from pursuing its fair notice defense. This small win encouraged the investors to breach the symmetrical triangle pattern. Key points. The XRP price faces strong rejection from the 85 cents resistance. The XRP buyer plans to turn 100 DMA into a valid support. The intraday trading volume in the XRP is $2.07 billion, indicating a 57.6% loss. The Ripple XRP price recently broke above the symmetrical triangle pattern with an overnight growth of 8.5%. However, the breakout rally suddenly faced higher price rejection near 85 cents, bringing a sharp retest to the broken trendline. The high selling pressure hints at the altcoin succumbing back under the triangle pattern. However, if the retest succeeds, a bullish reversal could surpass the 85-cent mark. The post-retest rally could hit the 200-day EMA or even the $1 mark, depending upon the bullish commitment. Contrary to the bullish thesis, if sellers pull the altcoin below the descending trendline, it would indicate the current breakout was a bear trap and will intensify the selling pressure. Technical indicator. The bullish breakout from the continuation pattern also breached the 20 and 100 DMA. As the altcoin retraced back to retest the breached resistance, the 100 DMA should bolster the buyers to continue the bullish rally. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator lines enter the positive zone following a bullish crossover. Resistance level, $0.853 and $1. Support levels, $0.74568. XRP price finds support near 78 cents following SEC lawsuit win and creator fund announcement. People have begun turning bullish on Ripple and XRP again in recent days. Although the asset follows the other major markets in bearish territory, the XRP price seems to stabilize near 78 cents. So while a push to $1 may not happen just yet, there may be a bullish spell in the days ahead. XRP price moves up again. It is due time the markets start moving higher again. Unfortunately, there is too much geopolitical and financial duress to expect significant developments on that front. The XRP price has shown a small but necessary 4.5% increase in the past week. It is not the most significant shift in history, but it confirms there is still a strong interest in what this currency offers. Thanks to this recent mini surge, 1 XRP is valued at over 78 cents again. It is a rather interesting price level that seems to provide some temporary support, if nothing else. Eventually, there may be a more significant push toward $1 again, but that will not necessarily materialize right now. Slow and steady wins the race, and any small gain needs to be solidified before the markets can trend higher. Ripple SEC lawsuit continues. Many people want to see the ongoing Ripple SEC lawsuit come to an end sooner rather than later. Unfortunately, it seems this debacle will drag on a bit longer, even though it is heading absolutely nowhere for the SEC. A recent ruling by Annalise Torres indicates Ripple can proceed with a core argument against the SEC. Moreover, the same judge deems how the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice affirmatives defense is denied. It is another court victory for Ripple and one that has the community and speculators rather excited. Although the news sparked an XRP price push to 84 cents, the momentum did not last too long. But that is primarily due to overarching market conditions. The $250 million creator fund in action. One of the more surprising developments in 2021 was the creation of a creator fund by Ripple. While other projects have similar initiatives, one wouldn't necessarily expect Ripple to do the same. However, the project deems it necessary to grow the crypto and blockchain ecosystem this way. The fund has been around since September 2021, and we now know the first group of grantees. Interestingly, all recipients are active in the world of non-fungible tokens. Funding NFT projects is a big step forward, and Ripple intends to work with Market's NFT marketplace partners integrating the XRP ledger. None of this has a big impact on the XRP price, but it shows there is ecosystem activity beyond the ongoing lawsuit, which is always beneficial. Ripple price in weekly squeeze as near-term uncertainty predicts bearish outcome for next week. Key points: 1. Ripple price action bounces in a pennant for a fourth consecutive week. 2. XRP price sees bulls staying on the sidelines or less committed as near-term tail risk is too significant to take on. 3. Expect to see a bearish result for the pennant breakout before the situation stabilizes. Ripple, XRP, price action sees its price action further respecting a longer-term pennant that has been there for over a month. Last week was a perfect test on the low and the high barriers, and again this week, price action looks set for a breakout next week. Seeing the technical death cross with the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, below the 200-day SMA, all the moving parts of the geopolitical backdrop, and the Fed FOMC meeting next week, plenty of triggers or catalysts with more tail risk and headwinds than tailwinds. Ripple price set to test the lows before finding solid ground for a bounce. Since December of last year, XRP price is still under siege of the technical death cross. Looking towards the current situation, that death cross appeared to be an omen for what was to come with global markets at the edge of stagflation and possible hyperinflation in some parts of Europe to come. The safety net called central banking is scrambling to keep the economic system together as inflation asks for hikes on the one hand, but the Ukraine war and influx of refugees into European countries demand monetary easing and credit support. XRP prices with all these moving elements, thus not in the best environment to start a bull run for the medium to longer term. Although a pennant breakout was to the upside, expect next week a move to the downside towards $0.6500 or $0.600, with that last one falling in line with the monthly S1 and the low of February. In case the situation in Ukraine further deteriorates with Putin invading Kyiv and other key cities in Ukraine, expect to see a sharp drop through the S1 support towards $0.4975, the high from November and on the cusp of entering a bear market for 2022. Ripple price still could see a bullish breakout of the pennant should some substantial progress be made that is enough for Russia to hold a longer-term ceasefire. That would immediately trigger a pickup in price action with heavy demand and see a return to $0.8500. The red descending trend line seen as the barometer of the downtrend could get broken to the upside and show more profits to come towards $1 by the end of next week depending on the progress and positive news.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.